In this video, we're going to talk about multiplying large numbers. Now, before we do, I got to explain a principle, and I'm going to use some smaller numbers to describe it. Let's consider 12 times 8. Well, 12 times 8 is 96. Maybe you know that off the top of your head. Maybe you just have it memorized. Either way, why is 12 times 8 96? Well, when we multiply 12 and 8, what's really happening is we're multiplying 8 by everything that is 12. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, 12 is 10 plus 2, right? And when I say we are multiplying 8 by everything that is 12, I'm saying we're doing 10 times 8, and then we're also doing 2 times 8, and we're adding these together. Right? 10 times 8 is 80, and 2 times 8 is 16. If you add those together, you do in fact get 96. And it's going to be this principle where we take all of the digits and we multiply them by all of the digits. And you're gonna see what I mean by that kind of weird sounding sentence in a second. Let's go ahead and multiply 341 times 42. Generally speaking, when we multiply large numbers, we stack them and we put a little multiplication sign just to tell whoever's looking at our work what it is that we're doing. I said we're going to multiply every digit by every digit. Now, what do I mean by that? We're going to take these digits and we're going to multiply all of them. We're going to take the 2, we're going to multiply it by 1, 4, and 3. And we're going to take the 4 and multiply it by, again, 1, 4, and 3. So let's do that, all right? Let's start with the 2, all right? We're going to proceed like so. We're going to take 2 times 1, and we're going to get 2. Then we're going to do 2 times 4, and we're going to get 8. 2 times 3 is 6, and now effectively what we've done is we've multiplied 341 by the 2 portion of 42. But now we need to do the 4. Now this is not a 4, this is actually 40, right? This is 40. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a placeholder. If we're multiplying everything by 40, we're going to preemptively put a 0 down below this 2 right here. And then we're going to proceed the exact same way. We're going to do 4 times 1, and we get 4. Then we're going to do 4 times 4, and we get 16. Now this is new, right? Up to now, we've only had single-digit answers, but this time we got a 2-digit answer. So what we're going to do, similarly to when we add or do addition and we carry the 1, we're going to carry this 1 up here. And so now, when we proceed, when we do 4 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12, we're going to add this leftover 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And that's how we write that. To finish, we now have one more step. Okay, we have one more step. We're going to add these two numbers together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. We're going to carry the 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Bring down the 1. And that is our answer. 14,322. Let's go ahead and do another example, maybe a larger example. Okay, let's go ahead and do 2,731 times 420. 26. I'm going to move a little bit quicker here. So if you want to stop, try it, and then come back to me, totally great. But I'm going to move a little bit up tempo, okay? We're multiplying. Let's do 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry the 1. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 1 is 43. Carry the 4. 6 times 2, that's 12. Plus the 4 is 16. I'm now going to do the 2's. I'm going to add a 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus this one right here is 5. So put that 5 down right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this 4 right here. Now this red underlined 4 is actually representative of 400. And so instead of adding 1 0, I'm actually going to add 2 zeros because I'm multiplying by the hundreds place now. But the process is just the same. 4 times 1, that is 4. Oops, that's an eraser. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. And look at this. We got a big old addition problem. Now we're going to add 3 large numbers together. Add them all up. We're just going column by column from right to left. 600 is 6. 820 is 10. We got 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 and 0 is 1. Final 1. Boom. We have big old number. 1,163,406. That's our answer. And that's how you multiply large numbers.